Did you know that the average cost of a major RV repair is around $3,000? That's a significant expense that can easily throw off your budget planning for the year. Imagine you're on a cross-country road trip, driving your cherished RV down the winding highways of America. You've planned for this journey for months and have saved up enough money to make it happen. Suddenly, in the middle of nowhere, your RV breaks down due to an unexpected mechanical failure. This could be a nightmare for any RV owner, but there is a solution that could save you: an extended warranty. An extended warranty acts as a safety net against unforeseen expenses resulting from breakdowns or malfunctions in parts like engines, transmissions, air conditioning units, or electrical systems. But it's important to understand the basics of extended warranties. When it comes to purchasing an RV extended warranty, there are many options available from various providers. These warranties provide coverage for repairs and replacements on your RV after the manufacturer's warranty expires. It's worth noting that not all failures or damages may be covered under an extended warranty. Common exclusions include wear and tear, cosmetic damage, pre-existing conditions, and alterations made outside of the manufacturer's recommendations. An extended warranty will not only cover the cost of unexpected repairs, but also reduce overall repair costs. When you have an extended warranty, you don't have to worry about negotiating with expensive mechanics or paying out-of-pocket fees. Instead, you simply contact your warranty provider. They'll handle everything for you. Extended warranties also help with budget planning. Rather than paying for expensive repairs out of pocket, you can have predictable monthly payments that fit into your travel expenses. With a comprehensive extended warranty that covers key components like engine, electrical, plumbing, and more, you'll have peace of mind knowing that qualified technicians will take care of everything when things go wrong. When it comes to choosing the right extended warranty for your RV, there are a few key factors to consider. Do some research on different warranty providers and compare their costs and coverage options. Look for providers who offer comprehensive plans that cover everything from mechanical breakdowns to roadside assistance. Another important factor is the length of the warranty. Some warranties may only last a year or two, while others can extend up to 10 years or more. Consider how long you plan on keeping your RV and what kind of wear and tear it's likely to experience over time when deciding on the length of your warranty. And don't forget to read through all of the fine print before signing any contracts. Make sure you understand exactly what is covered under your warranty and what isn't, as well as any deductibles or fees associated with filing a claim. With a comprehensive RV extended warranty, you'll have coverage for all the major components of your rig, including things like appliances, electrical systems, and plumbing. This means that not only will you be covered in case of breakdowns or malfunctions, but also for routine maintenance and wear and tear over time. By investing in an extended warranty now, you're setting yourself up for a long-term savings down the road. And extended warranties for RVs are often transferable if you decide to sell your vehicle, which means that the new owner can benefit from the remaining coverage on the warranty. Transferable coverage is a great advantage of investing in an RV extended warranty because it adds value to your vehicle and gives potential buyers peace of mind, knowing that they have some protection against unexpected repairs. So don't wait until a costly repair is needed. Invest in an extended RV warranty today and enjoy worry-free adventures on the open road. As they say, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Visit NoRepairCost.com today to learn more.